Hey guys, I hope all is well. Just wanted to show you, you guys know I am actually about to remarry my hubby. And I am about to find some flowers to be able to get. I'm actually at Michael's. I'm actually at Michael's. They actually have a 50% off sale. When I say guys, these flowers are so pretty, so pretty. I'm actually about to make my bouquet like I did my wedding. No, wait. I made my bouquet for the bridesmaids when I first got married. But we had a vow renewal in 5 years, and I went to a place and they actually made my bouquet. And it was super simple, super easy. So it just depends on what you like. Hold on, y'all. Somebody is on me. Hold on, y'all. Crazy, y'all. I did not even know that they made plants like this. Like you can buy these plants and you can actually put this inside the ground. Because I didn't even know a lot of these people that be having plants and stuff, y'all, outside, they do not always be real. So I'm telling you, go to Michael's, see what they have, and you might be happy with what you get. Like I said, they also have them in the containers, or if you just want to put them in your own container, put some dirt in it, make it look real. And look, y'all, again, 50% off. So you have no excuse. Okay, y'all, now we are in the store. It's quiet. I had a lady in the background just talking, but she probably felt the same thing way about me. Sometimes when you be on your cell phone, it could be a good and a bad. But yeah, they have so many different things, like so many different things, just depending on what you like. They have your purples. And guys, let me tell you, I am doing all of this myself, not because I don't have the money, but because I am a DIYer slash I don't want to spend all this money. Y'all, when y'all put wedding on anything, it actually triples the price. When I say triple the price, it really, really triples the price. So sometimes things that you think you cannot do on your own, you can. Look at these. This is another prime example. And look, y'all, 50% off. 50% off. Because I usually pull coupons from the internet. If you got blue, you got blue. And I'm also, y'all, I'm excited. I'm also going to make an arch. I'm going to make an arch on the beach. So when we get married, I'm going to include it. So it can have like nice little flowers on it too, y'all. So I'm going to look and look and look. Everything is look like it's 50% off. Oh, look at all this. Just gorgeous. Just gorge. And again, y'all, I am in Michael's. All this stuff, y'all, is 50% off. So if you are on a budget, you trying to do your wedding or you trying to do anything, wait until a lot of this stuff comes on sale, okay? Wait till it comes on sale. Look at this color. Oh, this is gorgeous. 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 Okay, y'all, let me look. Y'all go to y'all local Michael's and look and see what y'all find. Because I'm telling you, we're about to do this DIY all by ourselves. Again, we are doing a vow renewal. We're going to do everything. Okay, guys? Why every time you're trying to do something, somebody always there? Always. This is one particular people that just following me. But anyway, y'all, let me get off. Let me do what I got to do. And I'll be back. Okay, guys, I have seen so many. I don't even know what to choose from. It's so many. So what I'm gonna do is just go home and think on it. I want it to be like a beachy feel. I did find these. It's like a light pink. When I say I love them, like I love them. I know they so just plain versus all the rest of the stuff, but I'm a plain Jane anyway, y'all. So I'm really thinking I might just wind up getting that. And then there's already enough already inside of there. And I was trying to think of something like mixing it with another and making it grand total 15 for our 15 year. I don't know. I got so much going on. But yeah, it's so much. I mean, not so much going on, so much in my head to think about because they have such beautiful things. So the moral to the story is just come to Michael's, see what you like, and just take it from there because they got a lot. So once I do find out, I'll take pictures and show you guys and all that good stuff. But thanks for coming with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye, guys. I see these right here. These are so pretty, and they demand attention. Like, and I don't know if you know, but I love pink. So I don't even know. I don't know, y'all.